Okay, the next problem is number 3, where all it says is calculate this number, P12,4, which is the permutation of 12 things taken 4 at a time. And remember, permutation means you're taking 4 objects from a group of 12 objects and putting them in order, lining them up, so to speak. So, as long as you know it's P and not C, it's the permutation, the way I defined it initially was it's simply the first 4 terms of 12 factorial. So it's 12 times 11 times 10 times 9. If you forgot that, you can use the formula for it. The formula would be, let's use n and r. P n r is n factorial over n minus r factorial. Well, that would be n is 12 in this case, so 12 factorial. N minus r would be 12 minus 4, or 8 factorial. And that's equal to exactly what we have, 12 times 11 times 10 times 9. Reason being is that the 8 down to 1 is 8 factorial, and it cancels with this 8 factorial. So let's see. Do I want to multiply that out? I don't think so. Maybe I'll simplify it a little bit. 132 is the product of those two times 90. So I'm going to write it like this. You'll plug it into your calculator and write down simplify that. All right. Oh, one more thing, and for sure I want to see this written down on the paper. Okay, that's going to give you close to full credit just by writing that much. And then the simplified answer you could write over here. All right, number 4, 7 paintings are exhibited by art students. If they're asked to rank the top 3, how many different rankings are possible? Well, you're ranking 3. That means there's an order involved, right? You can think of it as first, second, and third. You're ranking them. You're putting them in order. So how many could this possibly be? Well, there's 7 paintings in total. If they're ranking the top 3, the top first place, you could have 7 to choose from. And then you have 6 left. And then you have 5 left. So that would be the answer. And that's 7 times 30, which is 210. And the other way, I don't usually use this formula, but it's 7 things, the permutation of 7 things taken 3 at a time. That means you're taking 3 of these 7 things and putting them in order. And again, it's the first 3 terms of 7 factorial.